Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. I just wanted to show you some little basil trimmings that my neighbor gave to me, and he cut these off with me on June the 24th, and today we are July the 4th, and I wanted to show you all the activity that's going on, and now I can plant these. Let me just make sure I'm on camera here, and you can see the roots. Got one there, and look at this one. Wow, that is amazing. So all I did was place the trimmings into some water and then onto the windowsill, but not in direct sunlight. And this is what happens. And now you can take these and plant them into soil, and you're gonna start growing 2 more brand new plants. I've just zoomed in a little bit here so you can see what these look like. It looks like it's in focus. Isn't that amazing? So if you have basil, this is one of the easiest plants to get going. You just snip off a couple of little cuttings like this into water and just keep them in the water until you see the growth, and then you can plant them. All right, I am back. I wasn't going to film this part, but might as well. So I'm just going to make a little hole, and then I'm just going to grab each one of these. I'll put this one in here, and I'm just going to cover it up. Just give it a little bit of a push to try to keep it straight. And I will water these after I film. I get that one in there. Just cover it up. And this here is just regular garden soil. I ordered a big load of it a little while ago, dump truck load. So there we go, that looks good. I guess I'll just use this water here. There we go, about half and half. I think that's good enough. Make sure it looks good. And I think that's it. So I'm going to lock this in. So our planting date is July the 4th. So there we go. I think that looks pretty good. Let's just move these in so that they're a little bit more centered. So that's it. So I'm going to keep you updated on the basil plants. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you love to bake, you can also check me out on my baking channel, which is Bake Like a Pro. I'm on YouTube and Facebook for that one as well. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. If you made it this far, thanks very much for watching. On the screen, you have 4 choices. You can watch either one of the 2 videos on the left-hand side, or you can subscribe to my channel by clicking at the top. Or if you're into baking, then you can check out my recipe channel, Bake Like a Pro, by clicking down at the bottom.